Hey guys, I just want to give you some ideas to make a quick buck. You can use Fiverr, Upwork, places like that want articles, and you want quality articles, and I know it costs a lot to get them written, so I'll show you how to create an article in a few minutes. So what we'll do today is I should readjust my uppercase and stuff, but I'll just use this as an example here. So I'll copy that. I will go to Google Translate, enter text in English. I want it in French. I mean, you could want it in any format that you want, but I'll go with French because I know French. As you can tell, I have a big French accent happening. French here. Okay. Importance de la création de backlinks. Okay, so now I will highlight the French side of it. I will go on Google search. In French. Okay, so here, what you want to do is go to a top article. Moz is really, like, we know the SEO and everything is going to be perfect on it. It's ranking #1 on Google in French. So we should assume that everything is in there that Google likes. Okay, so you would copy that here. Actually, I shouldn't be, it showed me English results here. I'll take you another post here. 5 strategies to create backlink, quality backlink. We'll go on here. So as you can see here, I leave it in French because it's the original language. Then I would highlight the URL, go to Google Web Translate, it'll do the whole page. Alright, and then to English, translate. Okay, now you see everything is there. All the quality that you want is there. Google ranked it top. That's why it's a good strategy here. So now I'm going to go right at the bottom. It's still translating as I go here. So here you even have all the tags you can use in your post. So I'm going to highlight it all here. That's my article. Right click, copy, then I go to create a post. I have one open somewhere here. Add new post. Okay. Right click, paste. And that's it. Everything is in there that Google needs to rank. Like, Google likes certain aspect of, you know, the traffic that you're generating. They want all the ingredients that are important in a post, and you have everything here. So what you'll have to go through is links that are clickable, like here, right? And then break them. But you can use these links and point to your other posts. You just break these links. You can follow the links and do the same technique as we just did here, but that's a perfect post with all the ingredients that it needs. Then go through your article, like here, the picture. It just posted directly, but if you upload a picture, always click on the picture and make sure you put your keyword, which would be the title here. Okay, that's your keyword that you're using to bring people onto your site. That's another topic, but there's ways to find keywords that are getting you traffic, like that people will search if you can rank it. And what I use for it is Uber Suggest, and this one here is keywords everywhere. It'll tell you how many times a month people are searching for that specific keyword there. And then if there's 10 search a month, then why go through the, you know, the hassle of creating a big article like that. I'll just save it as draft, and that concludes my little course here. That was very simple, I hope, and save you lots of money, because it can easily be like $50 for an article like this one we just created. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Subscribe and go make some money.